I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a modern marble vase. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a hot glue gun, some spray paint. I chose a flat white by Rust-Oleum, a fishbowl, some marbles, and I've got some 3M assorted sandpaper. Prepare the fishbowl by lightly sanding the outside. This will help the glue stick to the glass. Today, I've chosen a 3M sandpaper, and I'm going with the 120 grit. You can glue the marbles in any pattern you like. I like the way this turned out. Now I'm going to add some color. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment below to let us know which DIY craft you'd like to see next.